Imagine you have a secret, a treasure hidden away from the world. A treasure that's secure, private, and entirely yours. That's what the Beam Wallet app is all about. Ever wondered how you could send money to someone across the globe without anyone knowing? Or maybe you've dreamt of having complete control over your finances without the fear of hackers or government surveillance. Well, today, we're going to dive into the world of Beam Wallet and explore how you can achieve just that. Beam Wallet is a decentralized cryptocurrency wallet that uses the Beam network. This means your transactions are secure, private, and untraceable. Unlike traditional banks, Beam doesn't have a central authority, making it resistant to censorship and manipulation. Let's start by downloading the Beam Wallet app from the official website or App Store. Once downloaded, open the app and create a new wallet. Remember to keep your seed phrase safe, as it's the key to accessing your funds. Funding your wallet. Now that you have a wallet, let's fund it. You can either purchase Beam from a cryptocurrency exchange or receive it from someone else. Once you have Beam, you can send it to your Beam wallet address. Sending and receiving Beam. Sending Beam is as easy as sending a text message. Simply open the app, tap on Send, enter the recipient's address, specify the amount, and confirm the transaction. Receiving Beam is even simpler. It's automatically added to your wallet balance. Exploring Beam's features. Beyond sending and receiving, Beam Wallet offers a range of features. Let's explore a few. Privacy. Beam uses a privacy protocol called Mimblewimble, which ensures your transactions remain confidential. No one, not even the nodes on the network, can see who sent what to whom. Atomic swaps. Want to exchange Beam for another cryptocurrency? Beam Wallet supports atomic swaps, allowing you to trade directly with other users without intermediaries. Cold storage. For added security, you can use Beam Wallet to generate a paper wallet, which is a physical record of your seed phrase. This allows you to store your funds offline. Security tips. While Beam is highly secure, it's essential to follow best practices to protect your funds. Here are a few tips. Strong passphrase. Use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for your passphrase. Offline storage. Consider using a paper wallet or a hardware wallet to store your seed phrase offline. Regular updates. Keep your Beam Wallet app updated to benefit from the latest security patches. The Beam Wallet app offers a unique and powerful way to manage your finances. With its focus on privacy, security, and decentralization, it's a great option for anyone looking to take control of their money. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting out, Beam Wallet is worth exploring. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and happy trading.